Channel 3 early warning weather with Chief Meteorologist Bruce DePrest.
And we're certainly going to be needing those air conditioners over the coming days with temperatures up there near 90. And we could be in for our first heat wave of the year, but it's going to be a very, very close call. Speaking of heat waves, here are some notable ones for the greater Hartford area. The longest heat wave on record lasted 10 days. We had one in 1995 from the 24th of July through August 2nd. And we had one in 2016, more recently, from July 21st right through the 30th. Both of those heat waves lasted 10 days. As far as the most intense heat wave goes, we had one in 1991 where 3 consecutive days were 100 degrees or higher. Look at that, 100, 100, and 101. All right, today we didn't make it to 90, but winds aloft got up to 87, 85 in Hartford, 86 in Bridgeport. Danbury, your high was 82. It was also 82 degrees in Willimantic. And Steve Franklin shot this photo in South Glastonbury, high upon the hilltop. Another beautiful sunset with the beautiful orange colors in the sky around sunset time. Speaking of nice, early warning pinpoint Doppler is scanning the state dry. All the action was off to our southwest, where there were severe thunderstorms in Pennsylvania today, but not here. Over Hartford, a partly cloudy sky tonight and a beautiful scene in New Haven, looking at the New Haven green, and just a nice tranquil night in the Elm City right now, and temperatures are very much on the mild side. In fact, New Haven and Bridgeport are coming in at 74. Hartford is 72. In the outlying areas, we do have some upper 60s. So for most of us, lows will be in the 60s. That's because dew points are in the 60s. And whenever you have dew points in the 60s, that is kind of like the bottom point, the lowest that your temperature can go, unless the temperature meets the dew point and goes down together. But I'm talking about lows in the 60s for tonight, and there's not much in the way of a wind. We have calm conditions in many parts of the state. So with enough clearing and also the higher dew points tonight, we could have patchy fog come early tomorrow morning. Otherwise, it's going to be a nice Wednesday morning commute for you. So you can see all the showers and storms off to our south and west. Very powerful storms across Pennsylvania that moved into New Jersey, and they're in the process of dying out right now. We also had more storms up across Maine. Futurecast shows that all that activity is still to our southwest for tonight and dying out. And then tomorrow, it looks like a partly sunny day overall. Futurecast is indicating a few pop-up showers in western Connecticut. I think it's a low probability that will happen. As we go into Thursday, the 4th itself, a beautiful day, some areas of fog in the morning, otherwise partly to mostly sunny skies. And once again, the risk of a shower or a storm will be low. It looks like most of the action the next couple of days will be off to our west and off to our south. And I think that's going to be the case on Friday as well. So partly cloudy tonight, a mild night with patchy fog, low temperatures in the 60s, and your highs for tomorrow going for 90 in Hartford and Enfield. And as far as other parts of the state go, somewhere between 85 and 90. And for the beaches, we're looking at a pretty nice day. We're looking at highs 80 to 85 with a water temperature in the 60s, and high tide will come in the late morning and early afternoon. So if you have plans to go to the beach, you picked a good day for it. Here's your 7-day forecast. Thursday the 4th, partly to mostly sunny, 90. Friday, if we hit 90, well, that would make it a heat wave. We have a heat wave in the forecast, but all it takes is one day of 89, and that's going to mess it up. But as we go into Saturday, that's when we see a pretty good chance for showers and storms. And some of those storms, although it's not going to be a washout Saturday, they will produce some torrential downpours. It's also going to be a very humid day with a high of 89. Showers and storms end Saturday night, and then Sunday, that's the pick of the weekend. Partly sunny, much lower humidity, and a high of 86. Monday and Tuesday are looking good as well, with highs in the mid to upper 80s. And for the shoreline, a high of 85, not only tomorrow, but for Thursday and Friday as well.
All right, summer indeed, Bruce. Thank you very much.